All the feels.
Expressing a strong emotional response, often used when something is heartwarming, touching, or relatable.
Mom dad bod.
Referring to a slightly overweight or less toned physique, often associated with being a parent but embraced in a positive and confident way.
Squat up.
Gathering or uniting with your friends or social group, often used when planning to hang out or attend an event together.
Flex on M.
To show off or display one's success, wealth, or superiority to others.
Can't even.
Used to express being overwhelmed, speechless, or unable to comprehend something.